DJ Pops here. We're back again. Oh man, it's a great day. You having a great day? Let me hear you. You having a great day? All right. Yeah. So what we're going to do today is we're going to focus, okay? You're going to watch me focus as I learn how to shoot a basketball, okay? Now I'm going to try to make it in, all right? When I make it in, you celebrate with me, okay? We're going to party when I make it. When I miss, we're going to keep a good attitude, okay? Stay focused. And remember, everybody, practice makes perfect. And you always have to practice and you keep trying again. Don't give up, okay? And I'm going to remember that when I shoot the basketball, okay? When I shoot it, if I miss, I'll just try again, okay? Hopefully you could try again too. But remember, focus is the key. Practice makes perfect, okay? Good. I'll see you again on the next Pop channel, okay? All right. Talk to you soon. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, okay? See you soon. All right. Bye-bye. Here we go. Focus. Shoot. Yeah! Focus. Let's go. All right, DJ Pops here. We're going to do a couple more shots. Here we go. All right, wait a minute. Right here. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Now let's take another shot. All right, here we go. Focus. Yes! I did it again! Yahoo! Celebrate! Yeah! Oh my goodness, that was so good making those shots. Man, and everybody was celebrating with me. I was so happy and I was proud of myself. Yeah, because I did a good job and I didn't cry when I missed. I just kept trying again, okay? So, hey, stay focused. Keep your focus and try again, okay? Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, now we're gonna learn how to count, okay? Let's count how many dribbles how many times I bounced the ball. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! You know, we're outside, so you gotta put on your warm clothes so you don't catch a cold, okay? Okay. Look, here's my celebration dance. Woo! We're having fun, yeah! All right. Oh wow, that was great. Okay, now that I bounced the ball, now we're gonna count how many times I pass it from hand to hand, okay? Count with me, okay? All right. Don't forget to say it out loud. All right. Go back and forth and pass it to myself. I'm gonna catch it in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yeah! Celebrate Yahoo! Yeah, we did it! That was so great. Oh man, you counted to 10. Now we're gonna count to 20, okay? Don't forget, we're gonna do it and do it well. Focus, okay? Let's have fun when we count, okay? Let's count. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, we did 20 bounces with the ball. Okay, 20 dribbles. Yeah! Oh my goodness, that was so great. Let me hear you say 1. 1. Yeah. Let me hear you say 2. 2. Yeah, this is so great. Let me hear you say 3. 3. Oh, that was great. Let me hear you say 4. 4. Yeah. Let me hear you say 5. 5. Oh, that was great. Let me hear you say 6. 6. Yeah, let me hear you say 7. 7. Let me hear you say 8. 8. Oh, let me hear you say 9. 9. Yeah. And let me hear you say 10. 10. Yeah. Celebrate. Yeah, this is great. All right. Well, again, oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And guess what? We're gonna learn how to tie a shoe. You want to learn how to tie your shoes? Because sometimes it gets tough when your shoelaces get unraveled, and then you don't have no one to tie them for you. So let's tie our shoes together, okay? We'll take one step at a time, okay? All right, check this out. Okay, let's tie these shoes, okay? We're gonna pull it up right here. See that? We're gonna loop this around one time. Pull it down. Yes. Then make a loop right around your thumb like that, and then you tie this around and you push it through the little hole, and then pull it all the way through like that. Okay, see you soon. You heard that saying, don't worry, be happy. Okay, so when you miss a shot, when you shoot basketball at the basketball hoop and you miss, you just have to not worry, okay? Don't worry, try again, okay? So when I try again, if I miss, just keep a good attitude, okay? Don't throw a temper tantrum. Can't throw a temper tantrum, and we can't get all upset and start crying. We just gotta keep trying until we make it, okay? Very good. All right, talk to you soon now. Bye-bye. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back again, and guess what? We're gonna talk about a little bit about exercise. Exercise is good. So when you run, you breathe hard sometimes, and you get tired. And then when you're not tired, after you're done breathing real hard, then you run again. And you keep exercising, and that gets your lungs filled with air. And air gets into your body. It's called oxygen. Yeah, it's so good because when you exercise, you get oxygen in your body and it goes into your blood vessels, and then you feel alive and strong, okay? And the more air and the more oxygen you breathe, the more you feel better, okay? Staying healthy is key. And eating right is key. It all goes together. You exercise and then you eat right, okay? So don't forget, eat your vegetables, eat your fruits, and exercise. Fruits, vegetables, and exercise. And listen to your parents, okay? Because that's the most important thing, okay? Oh, and don't forget to listen to your teachers. They're trying to instruct you to do the right thing, okay? So we have to listen, okay? I'll see you again. Okay, bye-bye.